Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Lloyds Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Lloyds Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address lloydsbank.com like this and hit on enter on your keyboard. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Lloyds Bank account like this. Now over here on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a login button available for us. Now in order to log into our Lloyds Bank account online, click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. Either your banking type is personal or business. Mine is the personal one. If you are on the business site, click on the business over here guys. So I'll be just clicking on the personal, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter your user ID and your password. So let's enter our user ID over here, whichever may it be, which you had acquired from the bank at the time of creating your account. And after that, enter your password over here. And after entering your username and password guys, but if you have forgotten your password guys, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgotten your logon details. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your account's user ID or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said guys, after entering your user ID and password, click on the continue button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Lloyds Bank account online on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your Lloyds Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.